I have a confession. I used to believe you had to spend $300, $400, even $500 to get a camera bag that didn't suck. I was wrong. Dead wrong. For this video, I bought every single highly rated camera bag under $200 I could find in 2026, 12 bags total, and put them through absolute hell. One bag, a $75 no-name Amazon find, outperformed my favorite $350 brand name bag in almost every test. If you're on a budget, you're about to win big. Number 1. Kattee Leather Canvas Camera Bag. Camera bag constructed with genuine leather and durable canvas, offering both style and functionality. This bag is specifically designed for DSLR digital cameras, but its versatility allows it to accommodate vintage cameras as well. The external dimensions of the bag are 36.5 by 12 by 31 centimeters, 14.1 inches by 4.7 inches by 12.2 inches, providing ample space for your camera and accessories. The internal dimensions measure 30 by 10.5 by 21 centimeters, 11.8 inches by 4.2 inches by 8.25 inches, ensuring that your camera fits securely within. Inside, you'll find self-adhering padded dividers that give you the flexibility to customize the interior to meet your specific needs. The soft liner protects your electronics from any potential damage, ensuring that your equipment remains safe during transport. Number 2. Lowepro Flipside 200AW2 Camera Backpack. The signature Flipside design offers enhanced security by incorporating strategically placed body-side points of entry. This innovative feature ensures that users can access their gear easily while keeping the bag securely positioned on their body, which minimizes the risk of theft or losing items. The design allows for full access to the contents of the bag without the need to set it down, promoting convenience and efficiency while on the go. This thoughtful approach caters to active individuals who require both functionality and security in their outdoor or travel gear. Number 3. K&F Concept 2-in-1 Sling Bag. Perfect bag dimension. The external dimensions of the bag measure 13 inches in length, 8.6 inches in height, and 5.9 inches in depth, providing ample space for your equipment without being overly bulky. The internal dimensions, designed to hold your photographic gear securely, are 10.6 inches long, 6.7 inches high, and 4.1 inches deep. The shoulder strap is adjustable, ranging from a minimum of 34.25 inches to a generous maximum of 55.1 inches, allowing users to customize the fit according to their personal preference and comfort. The bag features a simple yet stylish design with a double color pattern that enhances its fashionable appeal, making it versatile enough for various occasions. Weighing in at just 1.32 pounds, the bag is lightweight and easy to carry. Note, this product does not include a tripod. Multipurpose, the bag is designed with functionality in mind, featuring one included FlexFold divider which allows for customizable internal organization. This ensures that your equipment is not only organized but also protected against shocks and impacts. The 10mm high-density EPE shockproof cotton lining effectively safeguards your valuable photography gear from all directions. Number 4. ThinkTANKphoto ThinkTANKphoto Retro. The bag features a soft and form-fitting design that not only enhances comfort but also boasts a minimalist outer appearance, making it suitable for a variety of settings. Its zippered opening to the main compartment conveniently tucks away when not in use, ensuring a streamlined look. Inside, there is a dedicated pocket designed to fit a 9-inch tablet securely, allowing for easy access and protection. For organizational purposes, the bag includes additional dividers to subdivide compartments, an organizer pocket for smaller items, and a seam-sealed rain cover that keeps your belongings dry in wet conditions. There's also a collapsible water bottle pocket, making it easy to stay hydrated on the go. The luggage handle pass-through feature allows for seamless attachment to rolling luggage, while the removable carrying handle provides versatile carrying options. Number 5. Manfrotto Advanced Gear 3 Backpack. Light and spacious backpack. This photography backpack is specifically designed to be both compact and spacious, allowing you to carry all your essential equipment effortlessly. It remains lightweight on your shoulders, making it an ideal choice for travelers and photographers who need to shoot on the go without the burden of heavy gear. Everything you need. The backpack is thoughtfully designed to fit a full-frame DSLR camera with a 70 to 200mm f2.8 lens mounted, ensuring that your primary setup is always ready for action. Additionally, it can accommodate extra lenses depending on their size, and there is ample extra space available for various accessories such as filters, batteries, and memory cards, making it a comprehensive solution for photographers. Protecting your gear isn't about the logo on the strap, it's about smart design and tough materials. The number 1 bag is so good, I'm making it my main travel bag for my next trip. Ready to save hundreds without sacrificing an ounce of protection. Every single bag in this review, with my live price tracking and links to the best deals, is waiting for you in the description below. If seeing that $75 champion made you as happy as it made me, drop a like on this video, it tells YouTube this is the real deal. For more no BS budget gear guides in 2026, subscribe and hit the bell. Share this with a fellow creator who needs to save money. Go shoot!